Goddamn. Son of a bitch. Fucking hell. You guys are some bad motherfuckers right here. Looks like Sydney decided to show up for a good fucking time. I'm gonna make a fucking promise to you right now. Now, mark my fucking words, I'll sign it in blood, I'll sign it in something more valuable than that, I'll sign it in beer. You keep fucking showing up like this and I promise right fucking now, we're gonna keep coming back here on with this town. Hell yeah, we'll live on forever because we will have found a home where we love to fucking be. One of the most beautiful places in the world, Australia.